Welcome Midway ISD parents to this tutorial on how to register for Home Access Center. This tutorial video is designed to navigate you through the registration process. Home Access Center is a tool that we offer at Midway ISD that allows you as a parent or guardian to see how your student's doing in class. It allows you to set notifications, so anytime they submit an assignment or their class average drops below a certain threshold, then you can receive a notification. It also allows you to see their attendance and keep up with that as well. And that's a really important part of the education experience while you're at Midway, is just knowing where they are in attendance and truancy and different things like that. For this process, know that first you have to have your student registered for Midway ISD. So if you haven't done that yet, take a moment and head to your student's campus or campus website and complete the registration process. And then once you've done that, you can come back to this page. And we're gonna focus on this tab right here that says click here to register for Home Access Center. One thing about this tutorial, I'm going to use myself for a bit, but my student is not old enough to attend Midway yet, but one day he will, and so I don't actually have a Home Access Center account so I can show you. And so we're going to use the tutorial guide that has been created and direct you to that. So I'm going to switch over to that page. One thing to note is it's a little confusing, but when you read this statement right here, it says a valid email address is required to register for a Home Access Center account and must be entered by campus personnel into the student management system software. All that means, it's a fancy way of saying you just got to register your student first. And so we're just going to skip that and we're going to scroll on down. And notice that I was just on this page right here. So if I were to toggle back, we can see it still asks for first name, last name, city, zip code right here. But notice this little box that says enter your first name and last name. And I think a lot of people get confused on this because they're thinking they need to input their student's information. But really what you need to do is put your own name. So for me, I would put Clint, last name Glazman, city, Waco, and zip code 76712, and I click on register. And then the system links it to your student information. So don't worry about that, just type in your information, you're gonna be set. Then you can compose your 3 challenge questions or security questions, read the privacy policy, click finish. And this is an important part. You're not done until you receive an email from Home Access Center, and this is what's going to connect your information to our management software on our end. And so be looking for an email from Home Access Center, and within that email there should be a link. And so you're going to click on that link, which is going to then allow you to set your password, and then that will allow you to finish the registration process. And once you've done that, you'll be able to constantly check to see how your student's doing, check their attendance. And for me, I think one of the greatest aspects of this tool is that it just is another form of communication. And so if you see any discrepancies, please give us a call. Please give your teacher a call, and have a great day.